Next one is a count method. Next one is what exactly, sir? Count method actually. Yeah. So the next one is a info method. Next one count. I'm sorry. Info, count, describe, unique actually. Except the describe, we covered all methods. The describe method I can cover during math actually. And there is a topic. The topic name is called as a 5-number summary. What is the topic name? During that time I can cover. And once you understand all these methods, it's a right time. We do have a data frame. When I say the data frame, we do have a rows and columns. Am I right, sir? Rows and what exactly? Columns. The damn sure interview question, how to access a single row? And the second question will be, there is a data frame which is having the 4 columns, 5 columns, 10 columns. Out of 10 columns, I wanted to access only 2 columns, or else I wanted to access only 3 columns. Is it possible? Absolutely possible. Let me show you that example. First one, I already covered this one yesterday. But anyway, let me give a small recap actually. Team, please focus. That directly the starting session, the starting point is an important for the today. Keep in mind that. I need your help, sir. Tell me. Import. 1 minute. Import what exactly? Import pandas. Pandas as PD. Next one is df equals to pd dot read underscore csv. What is the file name? Sales1.csv. As I told you from yesterday onwards, what I can do, cut this one and you can create one variable. Variable name is a file equals to, and here what I need to write? File. Now let us just try to print this one. This is the data frame. Save this example. Demo1.py. All files. Successfully we have saved actually. Now let me just try to run this example. We can run this example. Yeah, successfully we created what exactly? My God, we got an error. What is that error? Yeah, how to fix this one? Yeah, come here. You can just try to not fruits. Copy this and paste inside in programs folder, sir. Now let us just try to rerun the example. Good. Whenever you are running this example, it is returning top 5 rows and what exactly? Last 5 rows. Good. Hey, I wanted to access only this column. You can access. I wanted to access only this column. You can access. I will show you 2 syntax actually. Accessing a single column. Accessing what exactly? Single columns. Single column. Syntax number 1. Syntax number 1. And the syntax number 2. Print off. The first one is df dot product. Df dot what exactly, sir? Product. This is the first syntax. And syntax number 2. What is the syntax number 2? You know? Tell me, sir. Print off. Print off what exactly? Df of, and here within double quotes, name of the column you need to specify. Are you getting what I'm saying? Good. So I would like to say this is syntax number 1. All right. This is syntax number 2. Good. And this one is highly recommended, sir. And sorry for saying this is not recommended actually. We are not using that kind of syntax in real time. Why? Because, you know, assuming that there is a scenario, the scenario will be print off df dot customer name. Definitely it fails actually. We'll get what exactly? Tell me, sir. Error. And the same syntax. And here it works. What exactly, sir? Very well. Team, I hope you are getting everyone actually. Yeah. And still the example will work actually. Come on, back to the session. Are you getting? Yes. Hey, simple man. Definitely damn sure interview question. Would you have a data frame? I wanted to access a single column. I wanted to access what exactly? There are 2 syntaxes. Syntax number 1, syntax number 2. In a syntax number 1, what exactly we are doing? You know, print of df dot product. Df dot what exactly? Product. And print of df dot customer name. Whenever you are trying to accessing a single column, there may be a chance single column may having space, sir. Single column may having what exactly? Space. During this scenario, definitely you will get a syntax error. What error? That's why it is working, it is not working. Why confusion? Why you have to go for the confusion? Always go for what exactly? The right syntax. Df of this one is absolutely valid actually. Let me show you practically. Yesterday, somebody asked a question. Maybe Srinath sir, I guess. I will show you that example. Good. I have created a data from successfully. Now, can I access like this? We can access. Out of the data frame, I'm just trying to accessing single column. Trying to accessing what column? Single column. This is the highly recommended. Can I access customer name also? You can access. What exactly, sir? You can access. Now, just try to come here. Absolutely fine. Did you understand? Team, tell me. Very good. Now, take this example and you can just try to keep it running notes. Move on to the next example. Yesterday, somebody asked a question. What is the question? Hello, Daniel. Do let me know what is exactly name of the column? Customer name. What exactly the name of the column? Customer name. Then, sir, ensure that Python is a case sensitive. Python is what exactly? Same rules applicable for all pandas, machine learning, NumPy, every Python library. Instead of C capital, can I give lowercase actually? Can I give what exactly? No, no, no. Don't play with the jokes actually. I mean to say that. Now just try to come here. Just instead of capital C, I'm giving lowercase. Instead of capital C, I'm giving what exactly? Lowercase. Let's execute this example. What is the error name? Yeah, check it out. The error name is what exactly, sir? Key error. Error name is a key error. Keep in mind that. I mean to say that whenever you are trying to accessing a name from a data frame, ensure that name should be match. Ensure that name should be what exactly? Otherwise, we will get a key error. Tell me, otherwise we will get a why key error? I will tell you. During renaming, columns in a data frame, I will tell you actually. Team, are you getting? Good man. Now come here. Take the same example and you can just try to add here. And here we will get what error, sir? Key error. What error actually? Key error. Good. Hold on. Are you fine? Fans, is it okay? I know I talk with management regarding the room actually. They assign with the same. So even you have to understand, I'm just a trainer. I'm not a decision maker. I like 404 very well actually. But they assign this room only. Kindly please digest. Hmm? Are you getting? Fine. So let me talk with management. Can I switch on that one actually? Hold on. Online team, kindly please wait for a while. Sir, room chala hot one, sir. Can you AC on, sir? Okay. Let them come. వాళ్ళ దగ్గర రిమోట్ ఉంటుంది సార్. వాళ్ళ దగ్గర రిమోట్ ఉంటుంది. దాంతో ఆన్ చేస్తారు. Let them come. Let them come. I just given 1 minute time, but you started chit chat. Am I right? Good, sir. Very good. All right. Don't switch on this one. Don't switch on this. Fine. So look at my screen, everyone, please. Let us start the session. Now, I hope you understand how to access a single column. How to access what exactly? Single column. Now the next one is, let us try to access how to access multiple columns. How to access what exactly? Multiple columns. I mean to say that you created a data frame having 4 columns. Data frame having what exactly? It is having 4 columns actually. How many columns, sir? Tell me, sir. 4 columns. Good. Hey, can I access only 2 columns actually? Can I access what exactly? You can access 3 columns can I access? You can access actually. Sir, very, very important. Please focus. Out of the 4 columns, if you wanted to access a only 2 columns or 3 columns, how to access, please observe here. First of all, print the data frame once. Yeah, let me just try to print the data frame. Look at my screen, sir. Please, important. Good. Do one thing. What I'm planning, I wanted to access customer name and product, only 2 columns. I wanted to access what exactly? Customer name and product actually. Keep in mind that how to access, come here. If you wanted to access a multiple columns, create a small variable. Variable name is something like a COLS or SSC actually, or else what exactly? C, or else COLS. Good. Equals to create a list, sir. Create what exactly? I hope you know right how to create a list. Tell me. Square brackets. What we need to do? Square brackets, and in between double quotes, provide the first column name. What is the first column name? Customer name. And again come here, give a double quote, and here you can provide one more thing is what exactly? Product. And you can just try to observe here. Sir, what exactly we are doing, in a very simple way, COLS, we have created a simple variable. What is the first one actually? Customer name we have taken from the data frame, am I right? And second one is what exactly? Product we have taken from data frame column, am I right or not, sir? Now do one thing. Df of provide the square bracket. This is something like accessing syntax actually. Provide COLS. Provide what exactly? COLS. Team, are you getting? Now save this example and you can just try to run this one. Seriously super, sir. Very good. What exactly we done, hello boss, from this data frame access only these columns. What is the first column name? Customer name. What is the second column name? Product name. This is seriously super, sir. Here order doesn't matter. What is that one? If you want, you can give product first, customer name next also. That is seriously beautiful. Conclusion of the story. Once you do have a data frame, no limitation. I'm telling again. If you want, you can access a single column. If you want, you can access what exactly? Single column. But remember one thing. If you're trying to accessing a single column, it returns series. Am I right? It should return series, sir. Am I right or not? But if you're accessing more than one column, it returns data frame. It returns what exactly? Keep in mind that. Now just try to come here. Yeah, let me show you one more time. Now I need your help, sir. Get ready. I need your help actually. Now from this data frame, I wanted to access only something like product is the first. Next one is the customer name. I hope we know already. I wanted to access product and quantity. How to access? I need your help actually. Come on, get ready. First one is, sir, you have to talk. Import pandas as PD. Df equals to PD dot read underscore CSV. Sales 1 dot CSV. And COLS equals to create a list. And how many columns you need actually? 2 columns. Always create something like that. Product. Next one is what exactly? Quantity. Now print of df of simple circles, something like this. Yeah, just try to see how simple it is. Am I right or not? Hey Daniel, I need quantity first. Sir, come on, sir. You can do very quickly like this. If you need quantity first, actually, this is seriously super. We are playing with the data frame. We are customizing the data frame according to our interest actually. Are you getting everyone? Sir, can I get a response? Are you getting? Yes, sir. Good, very good. Now, let me tell you one thing. Previously, one student asked one question. Anyway, this point later I can cover. But out of my curiosity, I'm covering. Now, previously, one student, what he told, Array Daniel, access this one only. Access what exactly? This one only. It is okay. And good. Sir, what is the main data frame having the how many columns? 4 columns. Tell me one more time. How many? Tell me first column name. Order ID. Second column name. Customer name. Third one. Product. Last one. Quantity. Good. But now we are accessing one data frame. How many columns? 2 columns. Now, for the 4 columns, would you have a physical file? Am I right? Would you have a? Where it is available, sir? Room number 402. Am I right? No. Where exactly? In programs and current folder. In programs and what exactly? Current folder. Hey, Daniel. With these two columns, you created a data frame, right? Can I get a physical file for this one? Can I create a one CSV file by using this one? You can create, sir. You can create actually. Are you getting your one? If you wanted to create a, means what is your requirement, you know? Previously, come on. CSV file, we converted into what exactly? Data frame. Come on, sir, talk with me. Converted into data frame. Now you're asking, I do have a data frame. I wanted to convert into, seriously beautiful. Previously CSV file converted into data frame. Now data frame wanted to convert into, we can do, sir. We can do actually. There is a one method. Method name is called as a, now just try to come here. Yeah, there is a one method. Method name is called as a to underscore CSV. How simple the method will be. If you wanted to read, what is the method name? Read underscore CSV. I'm repeating one more time. If you wanted to read, what is the method name? I'm sorry. What is the function name? Read underscore CSV. If you want CSV file, there is a method. Can I say DF is an object actually? By using object, you are trying to accessing something, that too with parenthesis, no doubt at all, that is called as a method. Good. And here just try to provide, give me one name actually. What name you wanted to provide? Result.csv. What is that one? Result.csv. Sir, get ready, get ready. Now whenever you are running this example, if you want, you can open the current directory, run this example. Just try to check it out, sir. Are you ready? Can I run? Can I run or not? What is the requirement? Tell me. Converting data frame into CSV file. One more time. Data frame into CSV. Let's run this. Wow. Did you notice? Backend file is created actually. Don't look at my faces. Few guys are look at my faces actually. Look at the screen, sir. Are you ready? Can I run? Yeah. Let it just start. Did you notice? There is a file create. What is the file actually? Results.csv. Can I open that one? If you are opening, how many columns? Two columns. First column name, second column name. Very good. Along with index also. There is a bumper offer for us actually. Index also we are getting. I will tell you later how to delete this index. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute, 1 minute. Come here. Let us just try to assign df1 equals to df of columns. Df of what exactly? Columns actually. Now here what I need to provide, any idea? df1. I'm sorry. Now come here. What exactly we are doing, you know? Let us store the result into another data frame. That data frame let us access. Yep. Access this one. Seriously, Superman. Wow, how nice it is, man. Did you understand? I hope you understand very clearly. This is very simple. Anyway, this example later I will cover actually. But remember one thing, from CSV file to data frame to CSV file, anything we can do. Anything we can do. So keep in mind that. Who can do that? Mhm. The online team, hold on. The online, sir. Yeah. Keshwa, if you hold on for a few minutes, actually, I'm sure I will help you. End of the session, I will help you. Why? Because you know we are in the flow actually. Kindly remind me. Kindly remind me during end of this chapter, not end of this session actually. Trust me, I will cover the same point. Keshwa, and any other questions do I need to answer? That's what we done, right, Divya boss? That's what we done actually. TSV. Oh, TSV. We can do that, but there is a small syntax actually. Move on to the discussion. Now, I'm sure, I hope you understand very clearly. Take this example, and you can just try to add into running notes actually. This example talking about, converting data frame to CSV file. What is that one, sir? CSV file. Please follow the session nicely. Move on to the next discussion. That's it. I hope. Yeah. If you're accessing a single column, then it returns the series. If you're accessing two columns, then it returns what exactly? Data frame. Good. I'm sure you can understand these are all examples very well. I'm sorry, sir. Good. So df of, see, df of starting square brackets, close square brackets. Instead of providing like this, what we can do, take this one and create a one list variable. Am I right or not? I have created like that. That is a good practice, right? Still, instead of, hey, I don't want to use some extra variable here, I don't want to use what exactly, some extra variable here, directly I will pass this one here, means it is okay, sir. This is something like a substituting or else imputing. Am I right or not? That is still valid actually, but I cannot recommend this one. I cannot recommend this one. This is still valid. From the running notes you will get a lot of examples, man. So we have to do more practice, I'm sure. Okay, good. This is another one more point, sir. Come on, go back to the example. What is the example, you know? Tell me, sir. I wanted to load the data frame. Tell me. Import pandas as PD. By this time, everyone should know this example to understand upcoming examples. By this time, everyone should know this example. Sir, let me tell you. Uh, One point I wanted to cover. What is the point, you know? Please focus on this one. Let us take a Python. In a Python, what is the hello world program, you know? What is the hello world program? The hello world program will be, can I say print of hello world actually? Am I right or not, sir? Come on, I'm repeating again. Whenever you're talking about the Python, in a Python, the hello world program will be print of hello world. Let us take a pandas. When I'm talking about the pandas, the hello world program will be, very good. What you need to understand, you know, creating a data frame. Creating what exactly? Data frame, also called as a loading a CSV file. Loading what exactly? That point you need to catch. Being a Python program, if you don't know print hello world actually, gone case. You cannot understand anything actually. What is a function? If you don't know print hello world, if I'm explaining like a high level stuff, function, return statement, class, object actually, I can see your tears actually. Am I right or not, sir? See, in a pandas, the hello world example will be the basic example. You should know how to create a data frame, that too by using a file. By using what exactly, sir? You have to compare like that. That's what I'm telling. If I'm repeating one point thoroughly, ensure that that point is very, very important, sir. Please don't feel irritation actually. Good. You don't feel irritation. I mean to say that. PD dot what exactly? Read dot CSV and a sales one dot CSV. Come on, talk with me. Print of DF. Can I ask a few questions? What is output? Very good, sir. Malikarjun, sir. Nice response. Let us just try to execute this example. What is error? Syntax error. By this time, you should know. By this time, you should know how to fix few errors actually. If you don't know how to fix this error, what you need to do? You have to call actually. You know my mobile number. Am I right? Yeah. I will explain if you call. Sir, I'm kidding, sir. Now run this example. Before running, let me just try to. What is output? File not found. Very good, sir. Enough actually. We created a data frame. Good. What is the motto, you know? Suddenly we are loading this one, and Amazon owner is looking at order ID, customer name, product actually, quantity, and Amazon owner he is seeing total how many business happened actually today. 600. Assuming that on an average 600 transactions happened today. Now Amazon owner is asking, hey boss, I wanted to know what is the total quantity. What is asking? Total quantity. Being a owner, ultimately he need, if price is available, what is the total price? Anyway, unfortunately we don't have a price column. Am I right? And next file we do have a price column which is sales 2 actually. As of now, in sales1.csv file we do have a column name is called as what exactly? Quantity. Now Amazon owner is asking a question. It is okay, total 600 transactions done, but I wanted to know how many products sold out. I wanted to know what exactly? How many products sold out? Sir, it's very simple. If you wanted to know how many products sold out, first to capture this column, what is the column name? Tell me, sir. First, let me capture this column name. Now just try to come here. Quantity. Always use recommended syntax. What is the column name here actually? Quantity. Hey, you know, if you wanted to copy this one, generally what you will do, highlight this one and will give a right click actually. Am I right? If you give right click, that it will be disappear actually. Instead of that one you can just try to scratch and you can hit enter button. You can hit what exactly? Enter button, copied actually. Now just try to come here and you can, what we need to do? Control V. Sir, not important interview question, just for your better understanding I'm telling. Are you getting? Now execute this example, run this example. Yeah, quantity, we got it actually. Very good. As per the Amazon owner, he is asking total sum actually. If you need a total sum, what we need to do? First of all, separate that column. Now over this one, we need to apply. What we need to apply? Sum. There is a method. There is what exactly, sir? Method actually. Now just try to come here. First of all, this is the series. This is what exactly? Series actually. Series means single column data. What data? Control X. Now just try to come here. S equals to, can I assign like that? Very good, man. Now conclusion of the story. This total column data is storing inside in where exactly? Yes. Yes means series object. What object? Sir, if it is a series object, inside series, there is a one method. Method name is called as a sum. Seriously super, sir. Right, your task is done. Now execute this example. Wow, seriously super, sir. Total how many products sold out actually? 889. Seriously, very good. If this method is not available, gone case actually. What we need to do? Manually, you have to go, you have to take fingers actually. 2 plus 3, what is the result? Next one is like this, you have to do. This total night, it takes time actually. Am I right or not, sir? Instead of that one, can I see this one? Methods are saving our life. Methods are saving our time actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good, keep in mind that. Let me drink water, online time. We can delete. Almost, sir, we can delete. We can delete. Good question. This I can cover later. We can. We can, sir. I will explain later. I will explain in upcoming topic. One question is pending. Still, I remember actually. Hold on. We are almost going to close this one. Yeah. Get ready. I have a few questions, sir. What are my questions? Import. What is that one? Keyword. Pandas is a package name. Read underscore CSV. Sir, tell me, sir. Function. Print is a function. Yeah. S is what exactly? Object. Sum is a method. Very good. I'm repeating again. Pandas is a package. Import is a keyword. Read underscore CSV is a function. DF of quantity is a series value. What value? Series value. Something like we are accessing single column. We are accessing what exactly? Single column. And inside of this one, we are storing all numbers. All what exactly? Though it is number, there is a one method. What is that method name? Sum method. You can work with this one. This is the method coming from series but not data frame. This is the method coming from series but not. Are you getting? Good, keep in mind that. Almost we are going to close this chapter. Yeah. Oh my, this is very very important, sir. Seriously, very very important. What is the point here? Assuming that we have created a data frame. Yeah, we have created a data frame. Data frame name columns. Data frame having what exactly? Columns. The columns order is something like a D is first actually. C is next. Next one is A. Next one is B actually. What is order? Do let me know. First one is a D, C, A, B. Assuming that. What is the first column name? Tell me, sir. Yeah, first column name is a D. I would like to say C1, C2, C3, C4. Now, yeah, sorry, sir. Good, good. C4, C4, good. Now, manager is asking, Arey man, so please rearrange the order. What exactly? Rearrange the column names actually. Rearrange in the sense what is expecting, do let me know. Yeah, very good. Next one is B. Next one, C. Next one, D. Yes. We created a data frame like this. Can I rearrange the column? We can do that. We can do that actually. How to do, simple, sir. Like how you are accessing multiple columns actually. Create a list. Inside of that list, which column name you want first actually, keep that one. Second column, third column, fourth column, done. DF of that we need to provide that syntax actually. Look at my screen. Just try to see. Now just try to see df equals to pd dot read underscore csv sales 1. What is the original data frame order actually? Tell me. Order id, customer name, product, quantity. One more time. Order id, product, quantity. But we done rearranging. After rearranging, what is the first column name? Product. Second one, customer name. Third one, next one, order ID. Seriously, super. Did you understand? Good. Let us just try to do this one very quickly. Okay, simple, sir. Very simple, actually. Columns equals to, I need total 4 columns. Am I right or not, sir? Create a 4 empty strings. Now, what is the first one you want actually? Tell me. Product. This is the first one. Yeah, good. Now print off. Now just try to come here. This is before updating. This is what exactly, sir? Before updating. And this is what exactly? After updating. This is what exactly? After updating. df of what I can do? cols. Am I right? Good. Get ready. Get ready. Super, sir. Before updating, order is the first actually. After updating, product is the first. Did you understand? Good. Can I ask you one question? Do let me know what is output actually? Key error. Take that assignment and you can practice actually exactly, but you have to practice. Move on to the next one. Yeah, this is the last example. There is a one question from whom this is seriously super question, sir. Keshava. There is a one question from the Keshava. What is asking, let me explain. Let me explain the question first actually. Practically, I will explain. Yes, it is possible. It is what exactly? Possible actually. Let me show you practically. Let me delete this one. Let me delete everything. Good. Now do one thing. Create a programs. Create a program. Sir, few guys are sleeping. Please look at my screen. Import. Tell me. Import pandas as pd. df equals to pd dot read underscore csv. And here what you can do, sales1 dot csv and print what exactly? df. Very good. Save this example. Demo1.py. Keshava, you look at my screen. Especially you have to look at my screen. Why? Because this question is asked by you only. Am I right or not, sir? Yeah. Let's run this one. What is the error name? What is the error name? File name. Now, what we are doing to fix this error? I copy the file, paste here actually. What is the Keshava question? I will not copy. I will take the path. I will take what exactly? Where the file is available, that file location I will take, I will paste here. That is a question. It works actually. Let me tell you how it works. Where file is available, sir? Go back. Just try to come here and NIT 530. First of all, did you understand question? Very good. Now just try to come here, data analysis, all files, and this is the file. Am I right? Generally, what I'm doing, copy paste. Actually, I will not copy. Instead of this one, do one thing. Take this path, and what is the file name actually? Do let me know. Otherwise, you can just try to give a right click, and here you can still what exactly Yeah, you can just try to path this total path actually. You need to work out, sir. And this is the total path. That to provide backward slash. See what exactly you're doing, give a right click and properties. And here you will get a path actually. Location. What you will get actually? Location. Copy. I copied that location and I copied here actually. Still there is no file name. What is the file name? Sales1.csv. Am I right? Now take this total thing. In between double quotes, copy paste actually. What we need to do? Copy paste such a long 1 kilometer name. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Just you need to add one more thing actually. What is that one? come before here. Just you need to add one letter. Letter name is a R. What is the letter name? R. I will tell you what do you mean by R. Now save this example. Now just try to come here. Perfectly all right, man. Let me explain one more time. Actually simple what I done, instead of taking the file in a current directory, go to the location, copy the location path, and provide that path in your program. Valid, sir. It is valid actually. Are you getting? Good. Let me show you. Let me show you how to access. Why I will always explain from scratch, because for your better understanding, sir. Don't think like, I am doing revision actually. Programs. Come on. So let us just try to write a notepad. Open the example. Import very quickly. Import pandas as pd. Df equals to file equals to make it empty string. Is it fine? Yeah, make it empty string. Df equals to pd dot read underscore csv or json. CSV. Any file is fine. Here what I need to provide? File. Next what I need to print? Def. Then whenever you are running this example, what is output you will get actually? Now all files, go to the desktop, and here you can provide what exactly? As of now, sales1.csv. No file is available. Let me run that program in current directory. Let me run that program. Is it visible? Good. What is the error name? Then what we need to do? Go to that location, go to the file location, come here, D drive, NIT 530, data analysis. Maybe file can be available in your download location. Which location? Am I right? Whenever you are downloading, it can be available in anywhere, sir. Now just say to all files. Here what we need to do, two things, sir. Two things actually. It's a very simple. Instead of giving a right click on properties, what we can do, I hope you know how to click here actually. Overlap your mouse here, left click you need to give. I hope you know actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Just give a left click here. Copy this path. Copy this path. Go to the notepad and you have to work out actually and provide backward slash. What is the file name? Tell me, sir. Sales1.csv. Now take this one and copy inside your program. And here what we need to do? Extra one thing you need to add. What we need to add? R. R means recursive file. Go to that location, access. That's it. Done. Did you understand? Keshwa, did you understand, boss? There are many ways, but this is the best way. Recursive. I mean, irrespective of file location, wherever it is, it will access, sir. That file location can be available anywhere. Recursive, also called as a raw string. There are many ways. Anyway, I have to move on with the next chapter actually. Why? Because we started the game a long back. All right. Yeah, we done this chapter, sir. Move on to the next chapter. What is the next chapter? Renaming column and what exactly? Index. Seriously, super topic. Please focus. Go back and change the status. Change the status. This topic is a running topic. Can I change the status of this one? What is the next topic? In place parameter. Man, $1,000 interview question, boss. In place parameter. And my favorite topic actually. This rename itself take on an average 1 hour discussion actually. We'll see accordingly. Upcoming topic. Are you ready? Now we are going to start new topic. What is the topic name? Data frame renaming column or index. We are going to rename column or index actually. Damn sure interview question, and every real-time project we are applying this operation. Here onwards, every topic is one operation in a project. Every topic is what exactly? One operation. I made it like that, our material. Good. Sir, now let me explain about our material pattern actually. Do let me know. Sir, data frame having methods. Data frame having what exactly? Methods actually. Am I right? It is having methods. Let me know what are the methods. Tell me. Head method we have seen. Next one is a tail method we have seen. Next one is info method we have seen. Next one, it is okay. We have seen few more methods. Now let me tell you, upcoming topic name is a renaming column index. What is the topic name? Renaming column. Here also, we just need to use method. Method name is a rename method. What is the method name? Now you need to understand a point. The method name itself, I made it like a separate subject heading because important. You may not see the document, head method document, tail method document. These are all shorter topics actually. I don't know Hindi, but chota means what exactly? Small actually, small topic. But when I'm talking about the rename column, shorting column, group by column, these are all conclusion of the story. Not only this, upcoming we are going to playing with the method. Every chapter is a method. Every chapter is what exactly? Method actually. Keep in mind that, right? This is just for your kind of information. I'm adding this one actually. Move on to the discussion. Let me give a small overview. What is the topic of this one? Good. So first of all, renaming column. We will see first column rename. Next one is what exactly? Index actually. First of all, you have to understand what do you mean by rename. What do you mean by what exactly? Rename actually. S1 equals to, let us take a Daniel. Daniel. Do you think valid name actually? Do you think valid name? I mean to say that. Can I say we need to update the name? Am I right or not, sir? Yeah, how many times it is available? Are you counting? Number of times this is available. But what is the valid name actually? What is the valid name? Do let me know. Within double quotes, DANL. This is the valid name. Same thing like that. Whenever you are creating a data frame having the name of the columns, data frame having what exactly? Name of the column. Let me take the first name of the column is what exactly? What we know, order ID. Next one is a, tell me sir, customer name. Customer name. Next one is a product. Next one is what exactly? Product. Next one is a quantity. This is the well-known column still now we have seen. Assuming that there is a column having lot of C's actually. Column having what exactly? Lot of C. First column name, easy and we can understand. Third column name, meaningful. Fourth column name, somewhat we are able to understand. But what about the second column? Seems to be not in a proper way. Now the next topic is, current topic is how to change name of the column. How to change what exactly? Name of the column. We can change a single column. We can change multiple columns also. This is the overview. We are entering into the topic. Did you understand? Good. Right now the question will be how to change name of the second column. Name of what exactly? Second column. How we wanted to change from this column to what I wanted to change, customer name. What I wanted to change? Customer name. We can do that. How to do that? I'm explaining step by step. Let me drink water, please. I'm feeling more thirsty today. Yeah. So the very first topic is changing single column. Very first topic is what exactly? Changing single column. We'll see. Sometimes we need to process column names as an index. Sir, what I done, till now what I done is I created a data frame. I created what exactly? Data frame. Now here onwards operations we are starting. What we are starting? Operations. The first operation is at first what is available? Header is available. What is available? Header. Header means what exactly? Columns. Header means what exactly? Columns. Now let us understand how to play with the columns. Later I will show you how to play with the data. Later I will show you how to play with the index actually. We can close the discussion. Conclusion of the story. Once the data frame created, let us play with the name of the columns. What you are playing actually? Name of the columns. Are you getting? Good. Sometimes we need to process column names and index. I wanted to process name and index actually. Based on requirement, we can rename, also called as a change, also called as a modify, update column names and index actually. Hey, column name, I don't want customer name. I want update actually. Can I update? You can update actually. Index, I don't want as a 0. Can I update into 111? We can update actually. These are all things we are going to see. Hey, the cinema started actually. What is that? What is this one? Method. What is that one? You tell me. If it is a method, how to access actually? Very good. What is the object name? Super, sir. You understand the pattern actually. Here onwards, if I say method, definitely that method we have to call by using data frame or else object name. Keep in mind that. That is a basic fundamental. You should be strong. Am I going speed? No, right? Yeah. I will explain. This theory, this one I will read actually. Rename is a predefined method in a data frame. We can access rename method by using data frame object. By using this method, we can change a single column name in a data frame. By using this method, we can change a single column, multiple columns, we can change actually. Yeah, what is a program? Creating a data frame and checking the name of the columns. What is the program name? Demo 1. What is the file name? Okay, sales 1 we already understand. Now let me help you sales 3 file. What file? Hold on. Today you have to remind me what I need to do, I just need to explain about sales 3 file. I need to access actually. Sales 3. Sales 3. Write a program. Create a folder. Every time I'm deleting for your better understanding. Every time I'm deleting for your better understanding, please. Now, what is the file I wanted to load, sir? Tell me. Sales 3. df equals to file equals to, tell me, within double quotes, sales 1 or CSV. Am I right? No, sales 3.csv. First of all, play with the file. df equals to pd dot read underscore csv and file. Again, do I need to provide within double quotes? Sir, this is already what exactly? String actually. Then why you are keeping again string? Gone case. Print of df. Print of what exactly? Df. Super, sir. Now demo 1.py. All files. Go to the programs, desktop and programs. Now execute the example. Sales 3 file. Let us play with this file sometime. Hold on. CD. Yeah, CD, desktop. Next one is CD, programs. Now run this example. What is output? Any idea? Very nice. Let us just try to capture that file. Where exactly it is available? Come to my location. 530 sales 3. I need your help, sir. Search where exactly it is. Sales 3. Sales 3. Yeah, here it is. Am I right? Copy. I will not. I will not take the path actually. I will copy paste. Is it fine for you? Good. Let us run this one. Wow. First of all, yeah, very good. Yeah, how many, sir? First of all, do let me know. Can I say 30? Why? Because index always starts from what exactly? 0. Keep in mind that if the last index is the 29, we have to add one value, something like a range, something like what exactly? Range. See, very nice. There is a file. File name is called as a sales3.csv. What is the file name? Sales3.csv. Don't attack the example directly. First of all, understand the data set. Being a data scientist, first of all, you should understand the data set. First of all, you should understand what exactly? Best example. If you wanted to get explore an Amirpet, you have to roam actually. Am I right or not? Assuming that if I don't know Amirpet, I don't know the location. Where is the parking area? Where is the traffic area? These are all things. Being a data scientist, you should have a strong knowledge on the data set. During requirement, we have to talk more and more about the data set actually. Yeah, come on. I'm accessing sales3.csv. We are having how many columns actually? Hey, come on. How many rows and how many columns? How to capture? How to access? See, if there are small columns, it is not showing actually. If there are only just a matter of previously, how many rows? It is displaying. But here, how many rows? 30. If you wanted to get a total rows and columns actually, what we need to do? Dot shape. Very good. What is output, sir? 30 comma 30 comma 5. 30 indicates to rows. 5 indicates to. I wanted to access the column names. How to access? Tell me, sir. Columns. df dot columns. Now you have to read all name of the columns actually. Read first column name is a First column is a ORDID. Intentionally, I'm giving short name actual. But what is a valid name? Order ID. Next one is a cust name. Next one, cust ID. Prod name, prod cost actually. Invalid. What is this one? Not in a good way to pronounce actually. But instead of cust name, can I convert into customer name? That is a motto that today's discussion will be. We can do that. We can do that actually. Keep in mind that. Yeah. What are all operations we can apply? Can I apply head method? You can apply. Head method indicates to top for. Tail method indicates to. I wanted to know about the information. What is the method? Array boss. My answer having, my question having what exactly? Answer actually. Good. Now, customer ID, product name. What is the extra column added? Customer name, customer ID, product name, product. Oh, cost added, sir. What added actually? Cost added and quantity deleted. What deleted actually? Quantity deleted. Good. Keep it. Let me ask a question. I wanted to know the total today business actually. What I need to do? Very good, sir. What is that one? Sum. You tell me, can I apply sum here actually? No use actually. If you're applying sum over this one, no use. Where we need to apply? Now, keep in mind that once you loaded the data set, play with the data set. What are all operations you know? Apply that operations. Take some 10 to 15 minutes. This is called as a sanity check. This is called as what exactly? Sanity check. I mean to say that once you are having the data, play with the data set. Apply the operations actually. Keep in mind that. Let me enter into the topic. Now, what is the topic name? You know, we are accessing. These are all things actually. We need to use Python dictionary. Okay, hold on. Now, what is my target? You know, I don't want to get this one order ID. Hold on, sir. Get this one. Delete these are all. Delete this one. Don't delete this. Come here. This is the program. What is the output actually? The output what we are getting, you know. Just try to come here. Copy paste. Copy paste. Yes. Paste here actually. Yeah. This is the output. Am I right or not, sir? Hold on. I will tell you. Control Z, customer ID. I need a, it should come, sir, according to some order actually when I copy paste it. It is okay. Good. Now I wanted to change instead of order ORDID, I wanted to change what exactly? Order ID. How to change, you know? Now just try to come here. You just need to apply small syntax actually. What is that syntax? You know, first of all, create a small dictionary. What we need to create? Small dictionary. I hope you know how to create a small dictionary. By using what exactly, sir? Curly braces. Come here. And the first one is what exactly? Any idea? Key. Second one is a value. Tell me, first one is key. Second one, key, make it the existing column name. What is existing column name? Order ID. Good. Oh, yeah, ORD ID. Value, make it which column name you want actually? Order ID. Very good. Order ID. Very good. Order what exactly? ID. Good. Now save this example. Now what you need to do, you know, it's a very simple, sir. Print of df dot df what exactly, you know, you need to call a method. Method name is called as a rename. What is the method name? If I say rename the method, then definitely what is required, you know, parenthesis required. What is required? Then column 6, you need to apply what exactly? Done, man. Your task is done actually. Now provide some space here. Execute this example. Wow, sir, this is before updating order ID. Go back. This is, oh, sorry, sir. After update, but I wanted to print this one also. I wanted to print this one also. My motto will be, okay. Both I wanted to print so that you will understand the difference actually. Yeah, first I'm printing before updating. What is the column name actually? ORDID. But after updating, what happened? Seriously, super. Am I right or not? Yeah. What exactly we done here? You know, it's a simple. We simply create a dictionary. We simply created what exactly? Dictionary. Good. Once you created a dictionary, what exactly you're doing? You know, you're trying to calling df dot rename method. What method? Df dot rename method having keyword argument topic. What topic? Yeah, keyword argument means columns equals to here. What is the dictionary you provided? D. Here you need to assign actually. Sir, let me tell you. Rename method returns new data frame. Rename method returns what exactly? New data frame. It would be good to assign. According to the document also, I have assigned into another data frame. Let us make it, this one is the df1, 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 and you can assign it to what exactly? Df2. Df what exactly, sir? 2. Now do one thing. Df1 dot head method. Next one is what exactly? Print of df2 dot what exactly? Head method. Simple. Let me know if anyone having any questions actually. Nothing is there. Sir, you can ask any question from here to here actually, but don't ask what is this one. I will cry, frankly speaking. What is that one? Tell me. Dictionary. You know, right? Yeah. Previously, I explained like a dictionary, name Daniel, age is 16, basic example, sir. But this is the real time example. Indirectly, renaming a column depends upon the dictionary. Depends upon what exactly? Dictionary actually. Are you getting? Good. Very good. This is something like a changing a single column. Changing what exactly? Single column. Begum, how to test efficiency of the code before executing the program? It was an interview question today actually. There are few tools to cross verify, verify what kind of code we had written actually. We have written. This is the one way. There are two answers actually. So company to company the tools are different. Second one will be with peer review. What exactly? Peer review, peer code review, sorry. Peer what exactly? Code review actually, right? This is the answer for your question. Every company will maintain kind of some tools, so you have to pass through your code to the tools actually. This tool will give a tag actually. What is a tag? Either if it will provide kind of some code. Hey boss, out of 10 you got a 9 score actually. Out of 10 you got a 8 score. Your code is up to the mark. These are all things actually. Did you understand? Very good. Thank you. I'm sorry. So why? Because I have seen your question starting only. Though the topic is irrelevant, I ignored this one. But I'm sorry for this one. Good. One more question. Let me pick out that question. Arati. One more question. What if Python is not able to handle the data? How you will read the data actually? Let me answer your question, boss. If you're having a CLC file, if you're having what exactly, sir? CSV file. The CSV file we can read by using Python, but minimum 10 lines we need to write. How many lines we need to write actually? 10 lines. Very hectic task actually. And instead of using Python, we can read. Now you have to answer, sir. We can read by using pandas. Just a matter of what exactly? Can I say 2 lines actually? Can I say what exactly? 2 lines. Now conclusion of this story. Instead of reading Python, you can read this one actually. Now if you want, let me help you the process. There is a one module. Module name is called as a CSV. What we need to do is import CSV module and keep on almost you need to write 10 lines of the code actually. Arati, did you understand? But we are not using any real time. Definitely, sir. During interview discussion, I can cover actually, right? All right. Sir, there are some big data related question. Let me tell you, the third one is by using PySpark also. Frankly speaking, this is out of the box question. Out of the box question. We are belongs to data scientist, but during interview I can cover. During interview discussion, please. Why? Because the syllabus also really matters for us actually. Thank you for understanding. All right. Thank you. Fine. Come on. Where are we? Renaming. Good. Renaming. Let me ask a question. Sir, what is this one? Tell me, sir. Dictionary. What is this one? Method or function? Method or function? How can we say? Yeah, 2 points. First one is you're calling with object. You're calling with what exactly? Second one will be having parenthesis. Having what exactly? If no parenthesis, super, sir. That difference you should know actually. How can you say this is the method? First to check, you're calling by using object. Second check, having parenthesis. Having what exactly? Parenthesis. Very good. And header. What is function or method? Method. Very good. Method belongs to data frame. What is that one? Data frame. Good. Yeah. Go back. We need to use Python dictionary to specify old column as a key and a new column as a value. Important. Whenever changing the column, key should be matched with column name in data frame. Otherwise, changes won't reflect actually. Important interview question. Look at my screen. Sir, what is existing column name actually? Do let me know. What is the existing column name? Come again. ORDID. Very good. Sales 3.csv. Very good. ORDID, right? Now, yes, it is changing. Yes, it is what exactly? Changing actually. Here, this name of the column name should be matched with the key. Should be matched with what exactly? Unfortunately, you forget and you are providing your own column actually. But let me ask a question. Is this column is available? If it is not available, what exactly happen? First of all, you won't get any error and the changes won't reflect. Changes what exactly? Won't reflect. Let us just try to run this example. Just try to say, oh, the same column name only coming. What you're coming? What you're getting actually? Same. What is the same column name? ORDID. Very, very damn sure interview question. Whenever you are changing name of the column, whenever you are changing what exactly? Name of the column, you have to create a dictionary. You have to provide key as a old column, value as a new column name. Ensure that key should be matched with the name of the column. Key should be matched with what exactly? Otherwise, changes won't reflect. Otherwise, changes what exactly? A one-time practice, man. 1 or 2 times you have to practice actually. Are you with me? Good, man. Yeah, we do have, sir, alternative. I will explain. By using list also we can do. There are two ways to rename actually. Good question. I will cover. Step by step I will cover. Very good, sir. Generally, a data frame with the two same names, it is not possible actually. Generally, good question. There is a data frame. Column number 1 is the same. Column number 2 is the same. Not possible actually. Right? First of all, not possible. A data frame cannot have two columns actually. Come again. You will get an error, sir. Good. Let's move on. Whenever changing the column name, then key should be matched with the column name in a data frame. Otherwise, changes what exactly? It will not reflect. Good. Move to the next discussion. Whenever changing the column name, then key should be matched. Yeah. Here, what exactly I'm doing? ORDID. Which one? Sir, I'm not sure. Why? Because though that is a not real-time scenario, I didn't came across that one actually. Generally, whenever you are creating a data frame, two column names you should not provide actually. Do one thing, take that assignment and you can do, let me know. Good. Order ID, customer name. See, what exactly happened here? First of all, this column name is what exactly? Not available. Then that's why it is not reflected actually. That's why it is not what exactly? Reflected. Am I right or not? Good. Move to the next one. Changing multiple column names. Changing what exactly? Hey, man. How to change? Do let me know. Same dictionary. How many columns you wanted to change actually? 3 columns. Then provide what exactly? 3 keys and 3 values. That's it. Apart from that, nothing. Apart from that, nothing, man. The same example. Look at my screen. Just try to say, creating a dictionary. ORDID, order ID. Customer name. Cust ID, customer ID. Prod name, product name. Prod cost, product cost. Can I copy paste? Good. Let me do copy paste. Take this one. By using this one, we are changing multiple name of the columns actually. Keep in mind that. I have a question for you. Get ready to answer my question. This is before updating. What is the column name? ORDID. After updating, order ID. This is before updating. What is the column name? broadcast after updating. What is the column name? Broadcast. Can I ask a question? Come here. Now what is output, sir? Very good. Now just try to come here. What are you trying to changing? Those things only will change actually. Which one is not changing? It won't reflect actually. Am I right or not? I hope you understand actually, right? Just now, just try to come here. Take this example. Yeah. Till now, what we understand, till now what we understand is there is a data frame. Data frame having columns actually. Data frame having what exactly? Columns. Hey, can I change the column names? We understand very clearly. First point, changing single column. Changing what exactly? Single column. We understand. Second one is what exactly? Changing multiple columns. Changing what exactly? Multiple columns. Ensure that what is the topic we are using, first of all, df dot rename method. What method? Means based on your requirement, you have to choose the method. Here the requirement is changing the column. Can I answer like you need to call the head method actually? No. Why? Because there is no relevant actually. If you wanted to, based on your requirement, you have to go for the method. Definitely, that's what I'm telling. Understanding the requirement is really matter. If you understand the requirement, definitely there is a one method. That method you can catch actually. Then you may think like, hey Daniel, you are the trainer. How we will come to know? We are freshers actually. Sir, practice helps you. Even first to time when I was learning pandas actually, I thought like how to remember all these methods. But once or twice, if you are able to understand, if you are able to do the practice, I'm sure it will stick with your brain actually. Can I get a response? Are you with me? Good man. Yeah, rename method with help of what exactly? Dictionary. With help of what exactly? Dictionary. Now great question, get ready. I will ask you my favorite question. My favorite syntax. What is my favorite syntax? Keyword. Can I change this one? No. What is error? Okay. What is error? You forget actually. Let me give a serious punishment. Let me check with online team. All right. First one is a type error. What is error? Type error. Sir, don't forget this error. Why? Because this error you may get 1,000 times. You may get what exactly? Then how can you forget? You will get a type error. The description is a unexpected keyword argument. One more time. Last time. Yeah. First point you will get a type error. Simple. Don't try to change keyword argument. Don't try to change what exactly? Keyword argument. If you're trying to change, you will always get one error. That error name is a type error. Error name is what exactly? Read the description. Unexpected keyword argument. What is that one? Unexpected keyword argument. Keep in mind that. This is the process you have to follow. The same error, if you want, I can reproduce. The same error, if you want, I can reproduce. def Daniel a print of a Daniel of a equals to 10. What is output, sir? 10. Good. Now give here as a change the name. What is error name? What is error name? Type error. Read your own. Unexpected keyword or that's what, sir. See, this is the Python coming from Python error, but always you have to create your own error. That's really beautiful. You never forget the topic actually. You tell me one error name, I will reproduce with example. Writing a program to get the error guts required. I'm repeating again. You tell me error name, I will write a program to get that error actually. Seriously, very good. Right? See, the error name is the same, but this one is a predefined. It is this error is coming from pandas. This error is coming from what exactly? Our own function. Description, everything copy paste actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Yes, peaceful suggestion. Coding is very easy. Concentration is required. What is required? You have to concentrate. That too, these are all steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are all steps. You have to learn like this actually. Don't jump directly 1 to 5, 1 to 10. Please don't jump directly like this actually. Not a good practice. Okay. Keep in mind that. All right. Take this example. Let's change this. Oh, I already copy pasted. Fine, fine. I'm sorry. Good man. Yeah. Next topic. Renaming multiple columns in a data frame. This one also we done. Columns attribute. Come on, come on, come on. What is the topic name? Tell me. Renaming. Rename. Rename the columns in data frame. Columns in what exactly? Data frame. Come on, tell me. Read everyone. Rename in what exactly? Columns in data. Sir, there are two ways. There are how many ways? Two ways. First one, by using rename method. By using what method, sir? Rename method. I'm sorry, not a dictionary. And second one, by using columns attribute. By using what exactly? Columns attribute. We are very important using in real time. Not important, not what exactly important, but still let me cover this one actually. If you wanted to change the name of the column, there are two ways, man. Which one is easy for you? You can follow the same actually, but the second one is a bit complex. I will tell you. First one, by using rename method, we are using on daily basis in real time. You have to follow the real time standard actually. Second one, by using what exactly? Column. Don't ask what is column, sir. We already covered actually. That is what exactly? Attribute. What is that one? Attribute. Good. Let me show you. Let me show you the example. Then I will read this theory. Hold on. Sir, please focus on this example. What exactly we are doing, Import pandas as a PD. So somebody asked a question, right? Follow this one, sir. df1 equals to pd.read_csv, sales3.csv, print of df1.head. Then can I say this is the output actually? Yeah. For this line, this one is the output. From here to here, this is the output. Now, what exactly we are doing, Generally, df1 dot columns. What you will access actually all name of the columns. Am I right? Yeah. Do one thing. Create a one variable. That variable name is df1 dot columns. What is the variable name? df1 dot columns. Right hand side, create a list actually with all new names actually. With all what exactly? New name. Just try to say order underscore id. Next one is customer underscore name. Next one, customer underscore id, product underscore name, product underscore cost actually. Team, frankly speaking, this notation is a very important. Column names is something like a variable names. Column name something like what exactly? Variable name. What do you mean by variable name? All are lowercase. All are what exactly? Lowercase. If there are more words joining with what exactly? Underscore symbol. Best practice. Can I ask a question? Why we should not provide the space actually? Any idea? Yeah, very good. There may be a chance if you follow the first two syntax. What syntax actually? df dot accessing the single column, you may get error actually. But if you are using product underscore name, you will not get any error actually. Are you getting or not, sir? Good. Like this also we can do. Now, take this example first. Repeating again, not important. If you didn't understand also, it's okay, sir. Next 2 minutes you can sleep actually. Now run this example. Last 10 minutes, then we can close the discussion. Order ID, customer name, customer ID. Now just have to come here. Yeah. df1 dot columns equals to create a list. Create what exactly? List. What list you need to create, Now just have to come here. Order ID, customer name, customer ID, product name, product cost. These are all names you need to create. Yeah. First one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. Good. Print off. Now, if you want, after changing, if you want, you can print. If you want, you can print. Check this one. Yeah, column names changed actually. Did you understand? But here there is a small problem. What is the problem, Sir, here, whenever you are creating a list actually, provide all name of the columns. Provide what exactly? all name of the columns, otherwise you will get a problem actually. Delete one thing just for fun actually, just for what exactly fun. Now run this example. It will scold like anything. What is error actually? Value error. Why it is scolding? Hari boss, length is mismatching. Length is what exactly? But in dictionary, no error. Dictionary, what exactly? No error. Am I right or not, sir? That's what. This you should not use actually. Not a good practice. This we are not using in a real time. Tell me, sir. This we are not using in a real time actually. Let us move on to the discussion. What is the discussion? So keep in mind that. Fine. Let's move on. So there is a small announcement at end of the session. End of the session actually. One of our student actually, he got a job and he will explain what is the definitely who are all getting a job. Their experience really helpful for us actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. This is the very common. I'm sure everyone will get a job actually. Depends upon. I will go always one thing. What is that one? Yeah, practice, sir. That literally helps you. Yeah, end of the session in another 5 minutes actually. Good. What is the topic name we are covering actually? Do let me know. Renaming column and what exactly? Index actually. Keep in mind that we can rename the columns in a data frame. We can rename the columns in a data frame in two ways. First one by using rename method. Talk with me. Rename method. Second one by using columns attribute. Second one by using columns attribute. Awesome. Now just try to come here. While using columns attribute to change the column names, then number of data frame column names should be what exactly? Match with existing columns. Otherwise, we'll get a error actually. Seriously, very good. I'm just trying to adding one extra column. You will get an error. Next one, changing the index. Next one is what exactly? Changing the index. It takes on an average 10 minutes discussion actually. We'll continue this one tomorrow, sir. Okay. We will continue. Sir, we will continue this one tomorrow. Who are all having an assumption like tomorrow is what exactly? No holiday, sir. Even I expected a holiday actually, but no holiday. I called to management. I told so can we get a holiday tomorrow? They given left and right for me actually. Why holiday? Already you have taken what exactly during Pongal actually. Yeah. We will continue tomorrow. Ensure that kind note is kind note and serious note. Tomorrow we do have a session. Would you have what exactly? Session. Regarding sweets and chocolates, I don't know actually. Please don't keep more expectations. Okay. Yeah. All right, sir. Let me just try to give me 2 minutes. Let me upload the material so that one of our student he can take a control. He will explain his experience actually. Daniel. Yeah. Classroom. Methods. Rename the column names. Let us just try to access this one. Now just try to come here. Take the topic name, sir. And 5:30. Data analysis. Rename the columns in index actually. All right. Yeah. All right. So I uploaded material and a small announcement. Online team, please don't quit immediately. What happened? Oh, sorry, sorry. Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. Thank you for reminding. That's what we have to remind actually. Go to the desktop, file three. All right. Just previous batch actually. Many guys got a job. Previous batch. One of the student. His name is Ashok actually. His name is Ashok, and just today only he got a job actually. Today only he got a job, and please you can share your experience, sir. Can we invite him actually? Come on, sir. Ashok, sir. Come on, please. Good. Would you like to take this? Just give a like. You can explain. You want this one? No, I will. Yeah, please, please. Take a control. Come on. Good, sir. Yeah, one point I can say regarding Ashok actually, on an average, he used to practice more than 3 hours per day, sir. More than what exactly? 3 hours actually. You may ask how you know. Why? Because those who are all doing practice, they used to connect with me actually during the batch. So don't think like this. I created the situation. You need to come to the session. End of the session, you need to tell about the job. No, no, no. Like this, many students actually. Only the point will be do practice, get the job. That's it. There is no secret actually. The open secret is practice helps you to get a job actually. That too, the standards you can't believe. Let me stop this one.